right, here we are. We are at 1724 Nob Hill in Cedar Hill. And this is the front of the, well, what you see from the front of the home. There is a downgrade with the elevation. So you see a retainer wall here. That's 1726 right next door. It's going to be a little bit higher up. And then, of course, your neighbors are higher. So we're on the downside of the hill. And it's beautiful inside. Let's go take a look. Let's see. All right. So now we are inside of the home. You have a beautiful foyer entrance, which leads to, this could be a formal dining or formal sitting area here. Nice tall ceilings. They look like they're about 10 feet here in this room, and then higher here in the foyer. This is a secondary bedroom here. Could be a study. You do have a closet and access to a bath. Nice simple ceramic tile floors. And this is the wood look ceramic tile flooring here. And as you come into the home, we'll come to the main area momentarily. We'll walk through the secondary bedrooms first since they're on this side of the home. So the home is finished out with a gray carpet. Very neutral. You can see 1726 there. This is a Jack and Jill walk-through bathroom. That's me. Hello. And closet for the first bedroom. They share a tub and a toilet. And then the second part of the bathroom. This closet has built-in shelves. And it faces the backyard. And so now we are back out. This is just a hallway closet. So it can be used for storage. So back to the main area. This is your living room. Looks like a wood-burning fireplace. The home doesn't appear to have any gas, but you do have this beautiful island. GE appliances, lots of drawer space, backsplash, a hooded range. Let's see, a cooktop. You do have a hood. And eat-in breakfast nook here. And this is what it looks like from the kitchen, overlooking the living area. And that stone fireplace. You do have a back door leading to the backyard. It should give you an idea of what I meant by sitting on a hill. It's a beautiful backyard, but it may not have as much functionality as you may be looking for. I think 1726 may have a little more functionality in that backyard. This one is sloped off to that fence there, and I believe that fence may belong to that property on the other side of it. All right, we'll go back inside. Lots of bees out today. Oh, goodness. All right, so again, more look before we go to the other side of the house. It does appear to be about 3,000 square feet. Your utility room here. Oops, large enough to add a deep freezer or some storage. Here, your washer and dryer. Your garage does have windows, which provide a little extra light. And a water heater. Okay. And the last room, saving the best for last, is your master. The master suite. Just through here, you have the same great carpeting. 2 windows, lots of natural light in this room here. Even if I turn off the light, you still have plenty of natural light. Okay. And very spacious. Here's your master bath. You have cabinets, split sinks. Here and here. Extra large tub. Separate shower. Nice mosaic tile on the floor. And your master closet. Now, I've been in some homes with larger closets, but this one's not the smallest closet I've ever seen. So it's a decent size, but if you have a lot more clothes or things you need, then this closet is not going to be large enough for you. This is actually about the size of my closet, and I have 2,700 square feet. So that's about it for this house. I'll walk on over next door and take a video of that house. And if it looks the same, I probably won't record it, but I'll just take a look and make sure the closet size is the same.